Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be jumping back into our posture with the second of our movement structures, Afrocentric posture. This one will look a little different since up to this point we've only used Eurocentric posture. Our Afrocentric posture can most commonly be found in various African Diasporic styles, many modern dance styles, tap dance, and classic jazz. Once again, starting at the feet, keep them turned in and hip width apart. And if you don't remember what turned in means, be sure to check out the video on turn in and turn out. Shift your weight forward the same as your Eurocentric posture, and if you didn't catch the Eurocentric posture lesson, then be sure to check that out as well. Keep your knees at a generous bend. They should somewhat resemble your demi-plie, which we also went over in another previous lesson. Next, your hips should stay in line with your ankles. Hold your balance and core just the same as you do in your Eurocentric posture and lean your torso forward. Keep your shoulders down and bend your elbows so that your hands rest at your thighs. Finally, lift your chin and stare straight ahead. And that's it for your Afrocentric posture. Easy, right? Next time we'll dive back into your Eurocentric posture with some self-checks and make sure that you're on track. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjstudios.com for more.